World Reborn. Beyond the hills where dreams take flight, there lies a world bathed in light, a place where love and kindness reign, and peace flows gently, free from pain. No lines divide, no walls arise, just open hearts and knowing eyes. Hand in hand, both young and old, in unity, their stories told. Laughter dances on the breeze, joyful whispers in the trees. Every voice, a note so bright, weaving songs of pure delight. No fear of difference, no disdain, each culture cherished, none in vain. Colors blend like dawn's embrace, a masterpiece of love and grace. A world where helping hands extend, where stranger, neighbor, all are friends. Understanding warms the air and every soul feels safe and fair. Oh, let us dream and build anew, a land where love and hope shine through. Not just a wish, but hearts combined, a paradise that we design.
If you've enjoyed watching this far, chances are you enjoy my channel, so please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. And please share this video with your friends and family to spread this information as far and wide as we can. Let's hear what you think. And to everyone who believes in this country, God bless you.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.